The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whispers, son, the world can change today if we hold up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand, me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh mama Africa, your drum beat till the earth, your drum beat till the earth, yeah. Zion children rise up high, lift that spirit to the sky. No more war, no more cry. Love the truth, no lie. One people, one voice, we try. One people, one sea, we try. Senegal, Jah love surround us all. One drum, one soul, chant the healing sound. Even when the night come down, we hold the light, we stand the ground down. One love, one heart, still profound now. Boom, the drum still playing. Boom, boom, the drum still playing. Boom, boom, the drum still playing. Heart still praying. Changing, yeah. The drum still play. One soul, the drum still one play. Love remaining, the drum still play. Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call my name. Say son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on my dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world learn. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. rise. Whoa. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving out the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so.
Whoa. Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. With you, me flying high above every loss.
No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless, it never late.
Do you love me?
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving in the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, I want the whole world to know.
Loving under the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight. Love so right, love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, Whoa. but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remember what you're fighting for. Yeah, yeah. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. But on, lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawling. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child. Your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echoing every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Mama Africa,
We feel your heartbeat.
oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand for conspirator.
no more tears, no more.
Your light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend. Till the very end, your love we defend.
Candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you don't on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun. Cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Shall never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trenchtown streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, home in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in all the drum and fire. No more sorrow, tomorrow brighter than today we know. One heart, one road we go. We go, tears turn to freedom. No more fear, Jah whisper healing in the air. From ghetto corners to mountain top, we rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with the golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Our drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand as one. roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again. Africa we rise again.
Oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa, Jah bless humanity. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear mama hum in ancient song. Say, old faith child, stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not tame. Cause a warrior of light must remain. No mama say no.
No fear, my sun star shine brightest when I come. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear. Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light. Just soldier in a the fight. Through the darkness of the night, the spirit still burn bright. No chains can hold me soul. No system
our spirit deep within. Freedom where we begin.
Warrior of the light,
Keep marching through the flame. Call your name, no shame. We rise again and again till every nation see the truth. No more tears on the youth. We are warriors of love.
standing firm, living proof. Warrior, warrior of the light.
March on, Jah guide me till morning, sunshine bright.
Hey, nah, yeah, still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trent Zone to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms under tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom I must not luxury. And Africa flow in you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide with soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're all once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom, right?
Oh, lion heart
Still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path. Me a walking.
no change, no fear, just love we speaking.
Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night. Let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul. Let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free and the ocean breeze. Sunshine on my soul. Bring me peace. Bring me peace. Walking barefoot on the sand. sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Sunshine on my soul. Let the music take control. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, raindrops fall upon the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rub-a-dub love. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber of rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber of rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber of rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving all the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving all the rubber of rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is a weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rubber dub rain.
baby, don't let
walking down this dusty lane. No need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. The quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Hear the sirens in the streets again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more life, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. Town, people cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, no let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street, sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we not bow to fear or pain, cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah. Together we born, together we born. Oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call your name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion. Fire burn both we not depart. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Your timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a jar love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Yeah.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, open your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat of the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
Drop revolution.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still live on every street me see. Them build it tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta sun. The freedom song just begun.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we chanting at the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again, no matter where we from. From Kingston town to world vibration. Freedom spread like fire nation. One drop revolution, no turning back. Stand firm, we punch a chalk. Sing it loud, no more confusion. Lovely the one drop revolution. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. One drop give the people what them need.
Rise up, youth man, don't be blind. Truth and love, free your mind.
Jaja rhythm break the wall. Revolution for one and all. One drop revolution.
Shake the ground, write your song all around. No more chain, no more illusion. We march with one drop solution.
One drop revolution, strong and free. This is Jah prophecy. Play the drum, chant the song. Love and freedom, live wrong. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Drop revolution.
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no,
Drop
no.
revolution.
Why, yeah, yeah, yeah.
One drop revolution.
Yeah, no, 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 no. Beat of the drum.
Ah,
Oh, out of the people.
Revolution come.
Oh.
peaceful but equal.
One drop forever.
Jah guide this people, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Down by the lane where the youth still play. Echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough, yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trenchtown. Sunset over Trenchtown. Fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love, we build our sound under the sunset in a Trenchtown ground. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trenchtown. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trenchtown sound. Oh, yeah. Trenchtown. Oh. You see me Me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame, say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody, every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown, we kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town, light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, Umoja, unity forever. People rise together, together. From Kingston to Accra, one love conquer all. Drum beat up, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, me feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart, roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town song. Trench Town, burning gold, story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street, heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray, sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh.
The darkness me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, no, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We're one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah
the road is full of stone. Just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. Mama born a king, you were never torn, yeah. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what Mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the Ancient of Days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishi Kemko, no. Lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn, yeah.
Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Oh, trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if if your heart feel faint. Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after hurt, after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Our light always remain. Oh, you may feel like giving up. You may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up. Your sunrise soon. Rise again. Rise again. Rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend from Kingston town to Berlin land. Hope will always remain. Sun will rise again. Don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise. Sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light shine bright tonight.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear. For Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look. But the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division. Only love and Jah vision. Rise up my people. Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever.
Jamaica, forever one. I say amen, Jah Rastafari. Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn, roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, me ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots, roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer Jah call. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break the spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yes. Roots, roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Roots, roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside, even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warrior stand with pride. Jah warrior stand tall, carry the roots, carry them all. To Zion we call. Soft wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night, them burn down the village, steal the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar, we not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama say son, keep your faith alive, even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow, one day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud, no change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise, wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest, ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain, time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No. Chant down Babylon,
Chant them down till the morning comes.
stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud, no chains from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise, fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in a morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me, no chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast Shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jacka. Africa smile, Caribbean sway, spirit of love guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed, Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together, we stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family.
fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One world, unity. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From trench down hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. One world, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing the song. One world, where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide.